just passing Cedros Island. Took over my shift. It's about 2:30 in the morning. We're about 22 miles offshore. Seas are about 6 to 8 feet, so it's a little rolly. Kind of swells hitting us from the side. Well, me and Cammy here are just doing just fine, right, Cammy? You're always keeping me company up here driving a boat. Oh, let's go outside and see what's out there. You can't see anything out there. It's pretty pitch black. But if you go over to the FLIR, you can see the front of the boat and the waves. But the moon's kind of coming out. A little rolly here.
So as Jamie came up for her shift, we found out that somebody's been into the bag. We could zip the Ziploc at the top, but somebody...
I think it's a rat.
I think a rat got in there. Yeah. His name might be Jem.
Chase dolphins. Don't worry. While he's out chasing the dolphins, Cammy's taking care of her ship.
Oh, it's so dirty.
You'll let the captain
This is what he does.
take apart the boat?
No, this is how he does projects. He pulls them out.
And then
Jeff!
he said, hey, Engineer Jeff, can you come and take a look at this?
Yep. This is how he gets shit done.
It's my own fault, I know.
I never know what I'm gonna find when it's my turn for shift. Why are there pillows in the kitchen? No telling.
So Jamie, what are we doing?
I just want to say thank you, Jim, for the size we didn't need, and for always being so unnecessary. Because we were watching the Super Bowl!
So is that my only claim to fame, is that I become unnecessary?
No, you do things that are unnecessary.
Oh, got it.
Yeah.
Here, go show this. Let's see. So we're underway. We have this new Starlink satellite system, and it's amazing. Right, Jamie? We've got internet, we've got phone,
Yeah.
we've got great high-def picture.
It's good, it's just not necessary.
Yes, but it's nice.
That's right.
Oh, let's go see what Jeff's up to. I think, who's on watch right now? You or Jeff?
I am.
Well, what are you doing back here watching TV?
You asked me to
Oh my God. Jeff, Engineer Jeff,
Yo,
what's going on here?
I'm covering Jamie while she goes and does a video.
Got it. So Jeff, how's it going?
Good. Been underway for 52 and a half hours. We only have about 28 to go, so we'll have the downhill slide into Cabo. So I can't wait to get there, but we've been watching the Super Bowl and just having a great time.
It's awesome. All right, we're just cruising along here. What are you doing right now? We bumped up to 11 knots for a little while. Okay. Still got a little daylight out there. So we're about 6 hours out to Cabo. Sun's kind of come out a little bit. Waves are not so bad. And there's a whale right in front of us that keeps popping up. Can't really see it. Every once in a while you'll see the little mist there. He's straight ahead.
Hi, we've been on the way for 75 hours. I'm about ready to hit Cabo to get some fuel.
Fuel!
Fuel!
I hope they have it.
And then we continue on and get ready for Monday clearance tomorrow.
Can't wait to get our floor test.
So wait a minute, how was it for driving how many hours straight?
75 so far.
75 so far, will be about 76 or 77 by the time we finish tonight. And it's going to be great. It's a great trip.
Awesome. All right. Well, Wendy. So what the hell are you two doing?
We're putting fuel in, we're working.
This doesn't look like you're working. That's
We're
working?
in Mexico. We're working.
Huh.
You have a really cool captain. Yeah.
Siesta, fiesta.
You're
That's
lucky-
that's the only words I know.
You're lucky we don't have a cerveza.
Cerveza.
While we do our trabajo.
Oh, we should get a cerveza
Yeah, see.
while we're fueling.
Why are you feeling? Okay. Here's the docks in Cabo.
They even brought out a live band for us.
Pirate ship.
You got a pirate ship and everything, huh?
Arr, matey.